Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out another unboxing here on Team My Project 13. Recently, just unboxed. Huge shout out to hashtag Team Pixel, hashtag gift from Google. The Google Pixel 7 Pro, the Obsidian. Beautiful device, totally digging it. For those of you following the reviewing process, thank you very much. There's a lot to check out here on the channel. If you haven't, please do so. There's the box. There's the Google Pixel 6a. Google also sent that device to me a while back. Totally digging it. Great device. If you don't want to spend a lot of money, man, you can't go wrong with the Google Pixel 6a. And over here, first ever, the Google Pixel Watch, which I got on right now. There it is. There's my setup. Totally digging it. Stay tuned for an update on this watch. Very easy to use for what I want from it. Okay, I'm not going to be really utilizing a lot with the fitness app as far as the Fitbit app. There's only a little bit of info that I'm needing. Outside of that, it's mainly for just checking out notifications from YouTube, Twitter, a little bit of social media that I'm connected to, my text, phone calls, which everything's working great so far, but that's about it as far as an update. I do hope that next year they make a bigger watch, like two different options. It's a little small. I've gotten used to this huge display here on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and just the overall size. So it would be nice to have a little bit of a bigger watch, but I'm digging the design. I don't have any screen protectors for that display or a case. I'm looking for screen protectors, cases. There's not a lot right now because I need protection. I didn't even wear it to work today because I work around a lot of machinery, and I do have a case on my watch here with a glass protector. And without that on this watch from Google, I'm going to scratch it all up or even break that display, and I don't want that to happen. So I just got to get protection, and then I'll give you, I guess I gave you a little bit of an update, but I'm going to give you more later. So what we have in the box is, let's go ahead and unpack what I have. And there is the Pixel 7. Yeah, it's snowing. It's snowing. Now, I don't know how I knew, but when I opened the box that Google sent me, I knew it was going to be the Obsidian, and I love it. The black, the aluminum metal slab all the way across, left to right, right to left, where the cameras are. It's a pretty sexy device and bold at the same time. Powerhouse. So, I went ahead and ordered the snow, so we would have the black and white panda effect there. The 6.3 inch 1080p AMOLED display with 90 Hz refresh rate, 128 gigs, 8 gigs RAM, battery size 4355. We do have a 50 megapixel shooter and an ultra wide shooter on the rear, no telephoto. What I'm digging, as far as what the front-facing camera of the 7 Pro has when shooting video, you got the same thing going on here with the front shooter, 4K, 30, and 60. So that's really, really cool. And there's a lot of other specs that, well, I could throw in, but I don't want to do that. I want to unbox this. So let's go ahead and do that. And let's get the other side here. All right. Go there. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful. I love that matte look there. It's all metal. Let me go ahead and take off the rinky matte clear case. Huh? What do you think? Look at that. I like it. I love it. I'm digging it. The dual whistle. Yeah, those are some pretty devices. All right, you've already seen enough of the 7 Pro. Let's put that back. All right. Go to booklet. And you can transfer your data with this little guy. USB Type-C to Type-C. Cable there, and well, we know that's it, folks. That's it. Not a whole lot to look at. So let's go ahead and put that there. And I'm not going to do anything else with this device. As far as this unboxing, I just wanted to show it to you. I wanted to let you know that I have it. We'll be using it. And wow, and that flat display. There's a SIM tray, speaker, USB Type-C charging port, mic up top right there, power button, volume rocker. Yeah, I'm digging that flat display. Wouldn't that have been cool on the 7 Pro? Wow, that matte aluminum frame with that matte aluminum metal slab, cameras that flash the mic. It's just really super pretty, man. Really super pretty. Yeah, I got to get some cases. I got some coming in, and we're gonna have to order in a glass screen protector as well. Wow. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have the Snow Google Pixel 7. I want to say Pro, but it's the 7. Yeah. Digging it. All right, stay tuned for more coming your way. With that, thanks for watching. Appreciate your time, your support, your love. Doesn't get any better here on Team My Project 13. All right, everybody. Peace. I am out. Wow, that is nice.